Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and Happy New Year, Happy New Decade. I hope it's not too late to say that. So thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel, and because of you guys, we were able to attain our target of 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2019. And because of that, I'll be giving away these decorative sea urchins that I did some time back in my video. So if you'd like to know how you can win yourself some, make sure you watch this video until the end. It's a new year with new dreams and new goals, and what better way of constantly reminding yourself of your goals than when you put them on a vision board. I do believe in the power of a vision board. The first vision board I did was back in 2018, and I kid you not, half of my wildest dreams did come true. So I do believe in the law of attraction, putting your dreams and your goals out in the universe, and the universe conspiring to help you achieve the goals and dreams that you've set for yourself. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my DIY vision board. So let's get started. For the supplies, you need photos. Go and look for photos that spark joy, photos that represent the dreams that you want to achieve. So you can get these photos from websites such as Unsplash, pixels.com. They do offer high-res photos and for free. And make sure when you print the photos, you print them on a glossy paper. Don't use the normal printing papers. And then the next thing, of course, you need is your notebook where you're going to write down your goals. And then your scissors for cutting down the papers. Your glue that you're going to use to stick on your board. And of course, you need your mounting tape. This is what you're going to use to stick the board on the wall. And then optional item was, I did get these washi tapes from House of Leather, but this is optional. I just wanted something to decorate the board with. And then of course, you'll need your board. So this is the board that I'm using. So the first thing I'll do, I'll take my notebook and my pen and note down the goals that I want to achieve for this year. So I have different categories. So first thing I'll start with is YouTube. And then under YouTube, the first thing I'd like to attain 4K watch hours so that I can finally get to monetize my channel. The next thing is I'd like to attain 10K subscribers. So love to do collabs this year with different YouTubers, and then I'd love to create informative and quality videos. And then we'll move to finances. So for this, I'd love to save more. And then I'd love to increase my streams of income. And then there's a spirituality. I love to draw closer to God. This is by praying. I need to pray more and also read the Bible more. And then health. I need to drink more water. And exercise. And then finally we have travel. So for travel, I love to travel more this year. I love to go for road trips with my friends and then do a tropical vacation. So after writing down everything that I want, I usually go online and now look for the photos that are a representation of the goals that I've set for myself. So next I'm going to cut the photos, and this is what I'm going to stick on my poster board. So this is the overall look for my vision board, and I thought that I would take you through some of the things that I did stick on here. So to start us off will be the middle part, which is grow, and this is my word for the year, and I aim to grow my relationship with my family and friends, my YouTube channel, my finances. Yeah, so everything that I'll be doing this year will revolve around the word grow. So the next thing will be this: be creative. I need a constant reminder that I need to be creative in terms of the content that I produce, in terms of the storyline and the shots that I do take for my content, and this will be a constant reminder for that. This is for my YouTube channel. I did Photoshop my name and the number of subscribers that I would like to have, and my aim is 10,000 subscribers, and currently we are at 1.2k subscribers. So next thing is I'd like to collaborate with different YouTubers. So I'm putting it out there. I'd like to do more collabs. We have this photo, and this is a representation of the kind of quality that I want to produce for my content. So I want to do quality content this year. In terms of editing, this girl is supposed to inspire me to learn how to edit, to do more editing practice. Yeah, and then a photo of equipment. I need to get more equipment so that I can improve on the quality of content that I do, in terms of sound, in terms of video quality. So this is a representation that I need to get more camera gear. And then this will be a constant reminder that I'll have to make it happen this year. So all my dreams, everything that I've put on this vision board, I have to make it happen. At the bottom we have my dream car. My dream car is a Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and this will be a constant reminder that everything that I do, I will be doing with owning this car. Definitely it should be an auction car, because auction cars are very cheap. Not cheap, they are affordable. So I'm planning to do a video on auction cars, so that at least you can get to see how affordable you can get a car from the auction. And then this bottom left part this will be a constant reminder that I need to read more books and to read the Bible every day. This photo is a photo of people celebrating. So this year I'd like to celebrate a milestone or something, but I know this will be an inspiration that I need to work hard and celebrate a milestone that I'll be marking. This other side is health, and the photos are a constant reminder that I need to drink more water and eat healthy. Next we have finances. I'd love to make more money and add on my streams of income. So this is why this photo is there. Be a constant reminder, if you can dream it, you can do it. So that's why it's at the top here. And then next we have ask, believe, receive. You have to ask and believe that whatever you've asked for, you're going to receive it. So this will be a constant reminder that I have to ask and believe so that I can be able to receive. So this is my travel part of the vision boards. I love to travel this year. Definitely go on road trips with my friends. So this is why this photo is here. And basically that's it for my vision board. So that's it for today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Do you believe in the power of vision boards, and what's your biggest goal for this year? So for the giveaway, I'm giving away 2 decorative spheres, and all you have to do is be a subscriber, follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and comment down in the comment section below. Let me know that you're interested in winning one of the spheres. So that's it for today. If you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until next week, bye.